You're welcome to the exciting world of business intelligence. My name is Mohammed Taufik Kamza, and I'll be your learning partner. In this course, we will embark on a journey to unlock the potential of Power BI, becoming proficient in data analysis and visualization. Together, we will harness the power of data for informed decision making and impactful insight. Let's dive right in. This 7 weeks course, accompanied by a capstone project, unlocks a comprehensive realm of data analysis expertise with Power BI. You can access your course materials conveniently through our learning management system available on both web and mobile apps. You can refer to the enrollment email for details on how to log onto your LMS. You can embrace the opportunity for live classes every Saturday to go deeper into practice exercise and gain insight into the week's lesson. So this will be recorded for you so you don't have to miss anything. Feel free to send your any questions ahead if you would miss any of the weekly live recap session. Should you need guidance or have questions, our Telegram group and instructors are ready to address you. Plus, you receive a personalized email address, for instance, you at the Rookie Analyst, for easy collaboration throughout this learning journey. In this course, we are embarking on an exciting journey to explore the world of business intelligence. Here's a quick overview of what you can expect in each module. In the module 1, we'll try to understand business intelligence, and this is a fundamental module where we'll dive into the world of BI, understanding its core concepts and significance. In the module 2, here we will explore the heart of data modeling and transformation using tools in Power BI such as Power Query. In module 3, we're going to explore data visualization, reporting, and dashboards. In this module, we'll learn to create stunning data visualization, compelling reports, and interactive dashboards to convey insights effectively. So I would like to mention that each module is for a week. So every week, it's every module. So that's why we have Saturdays for recap. So in week 4 or module 4, we're going to look at data analysis with DAX, that is data analysis expression. So we're going to dive deep into data analysis using DAX, a powerful formula language in Power BI. Will uncover its secrets for more advanced analysis. While in module 5, we're going to go a bit deeper, which is the advanced Power BI features. We'll build upon our foundation. We'll explore advanced features in Power BI to enhance our data analysis capabilities. And module 6 is going to be a dashboard in a day. So this is going to be a live project. Here we'll have the opportunity to put what we've learned from module 1 to module 5 into practice. And there will be a guided instructor. So it's going to be a project which will simply involve getting important data into Power BI, cleaning the data, analyzing the data, visualizing and reporting the data. So this is going to be a long journey through the process of data analysis from data acquisition and cleaning to analysis. And this will serve as a template or as a all-round guide for a capstone project, which is going to be the final module in week 7. And you will have the opportunity to apply everything you've learned in a real-world scenario on your own. Your capstone project will demonstrate your mastery of Power BI at the end of this course. But wait, that's not all. We have a bonus track. We have fully packed bonuses for you. Track 1, we're going to uncover the world of powerful yet free AI tools designed to elevate your productivity by tenfold and also complement the art of prompt engineering and staying up to date with the latest AI tool. While in track 2, we're going to refine your digital presence for you with series of lessons on how to design websites and also graphics without writing a single code, of course, for the website design. So it's just more like you typing your way into your portfolio. While in the last, also um, we're going to ensure your CV or resume delivers the desired result. Like my friend usually say, a right CV yield the right results, right? So while in the track 3, we're going to dive into community service and learn to identify social problems. So we're going to craft a social action plan. That is, we'll have a workshop where you're going to learn how to craft social action plans, and then also to tackle any social problem in your community. So also enable you to feel the rage in your community and make the change. So, understanding business intelligence. So this is going to be the first lesson, and for a minute, I want you to pause and try to imagine that you are trying to build a beautiful sculpture without clay or constructing a house without bricks. So as you imagine in that, you would see the importance of data, because in the realm of data analysis on business intelligence, data serve as our fundamental material. It is the foundational material. It is our clay. It is our bricks. And this is why I love the quote by Sherlock Holmes, that is, data, data, data. I can't make bricks without clay. This is a quote that was made by a fictional detective long ago, even before the tech giants arrived. And the beauty of this quote is just to remind us the importance of data, how important data is in the world we are today. It is the connecting piece or the cornerstone to data analysis, to visualization, and even to inform decisions. So this is a good reminder for us. And we've had a detailed explanation as regards this concept in the Excel tutorial. That's the lesson 1. So we have a complete lesson titled data, data, I can make bricks without clay, which was designed to help you understand the scope of data analysis itself. So from that quote, we could also deduce the significance of data in business intelligence. And the significance of the quote by Sherlock Holmes cannot be overemphasized in the world of business intelligence, as evident in today's data-driven world. Decisions in business, science, and everyday life are increasingly being guided by data. The ability to collect, analyze, and draw meaningful conclusions from data is a powerful skill. So I'll still refer you to the lesson 1 of Excel course dedicated to help you understand data analysis, its problems, its types, its processes, and what have you. Now, let's look at the business intelligence cycle briefly. The business intelligence cycle is a continuous process that involves data collection, analysis, reporting, and informed decision making to enhance an organization's performance and competitiveness. Now, let's look at the role of business intelligence in decision making. So, a lot of people usually used to think that business intelligence is just about creating reports and dashboards, but it is way more than that. Business intelligence plays a pivotal role in scenarios like, let's say, Tip Top Taste Restaurant. So it helps Tip Top Taste Restaurant, which is a fictional company that's into food production. That's for consumers, pizzas, and all of that. So now, business intelligence could help Tip Top Taste Restaurant by providing the ability to analyze vast sets of data to uncover trends, optimize operational efficiency, and enhance decision making, which in turn will drive profits to the company. This enables the restaurant to spot customer preferences, inventory needs, and areas for process improvement. Ultimately, it ensures competitive edge in the market, making Tip Top Taste restaurants to be at the tip of the top of restaurants in its environment. So, as we embark on this course, I want you to first understand that business intelligence is the systematic collection, analysis, and presentation of data to enhance decision making, to improve operations, and drive profitability within organization. And whenever you're wondering why business intelligence is crucial, then think of the Tip Top Taste restaurant scenario, a scenario where business intelligence is applied to make Tip Top Taste restaurant to have a competitive edge in the market. Also, as we go on with this course, I want you to remember that data analysis is a component of business intelligence, because Power BI is a tool for business intelligence, but business intelligence is a more comprehensive approach that integrates data analysis as part of a data strategy for enhancing business decision making and planning. So now let's take a pause from trying to understand what business intelligence is, and let's write a letter to you, the future you. If you just attending one of my, if you've attended one of my lectures or webinars or symposium, you know that I like writing letter to myself. So this is more like checkmating, or like something that puts me on my toes. So if I write a letter to my future in next 7 weeks for this course, and after 7 weeks I already have my checklist of what I want to achieve, and in that 7 weeks, if the letter is delivered to me and I achieve it, there's this goosebump that I feel, and if I don't achieve it, then it makes me to want to learn more. So I want you to write a letter to your future. So today is the beginning of a thrilling journey that will lead us from Power BI and e-commerce to data analysis trailblazers. So as a rookie analyst for this course, I'm here to send you a message from the future where your Power BI skills is transformed, that will transform you into analytical powerhouses. So this is the first sentence or the first paragraph, the few sentences from the letter that I wrote to the future. So which you can see on the screen. So write one for yourself, and then on the last day, let's see how well we make that. Now next, back to understanding business intelligence. So there are business intelligence tools, and these tools are categorized into three basically: the no code, low code, and the coding. So now let's look at this one after the other. No code are simply tools that require no coding knowledge, making them user friendly and accessible to a broad audience. You can quickly create data visualization and report without writing any code. While you have the low code tools strike a balance, offering some customization through simple scripts or configuration, making them suitable for those with varying technical skills. An example is Power BI and Tableau. So you could, while the coding tools provide the highest level of customization and control, allowing data analysts and developers to write their own codes and then make it custom. Example is Python and RStudio. So the beauty of Power BI, which is a low code, is you can have Python, you can use Python and RStudio as well in Power BI. And then you can do analysis without even writing any single code in Power BI. So it is flexible. It's a game changer for business intelligence. And that is why we've chosen Power BI for the business intelligence for the rookie analyst course series. So before we proceed, let me introduce you to Power Platform. For the past 1 to 2 years, I've found myself using Microsoft platform officially or personally more than any other tools or more than any other company. And not just because, and personally, I find this interesting, and let me simply put, I'm in love with Microsoft products. So, and it's simply because Microsoft is one of the world's most complete and integrated technical platform. So it has a comprehensive suite of integrated software applications offering customizable solutions that can be used independently or collaboratively to create tailored business solutions. As we see at the end of this course, when we want to share um, their data we've already analyzed, we're going to employ the Power BI service, and we could share it. I know we have people that are subscribed to this course from Canada, from the UK, South Korea, Nigeria. Majorly, we have more students from Nigeria, but you will see at the end of this course how we'll be able to share the data we've already analyzed with everyone, and everyone could even put in their input. So this is the beauty of Power BI, and it can be integrated into the one of the number one leading spreadsheet in the world, which is Excel, which is also by Microsoft. So most of this softwares we'll also see how we can even include a live dashboard in PowerPoint. So exporting your instead of exporting instead of exporting or downloading images and then put it in a PowerPoint, you could just integrate Power BI into PowerPoint, and you could present your Power BI reports interactively in your PowerPoint. So these are one of the many numerous reasons why I like Power BI, and then that's why I'm introducing it to Power Platform. So the Power Platform empowers users with low-code tools for process adaptation, automation, and seamless integration. And there are basically 5, which is Power BI for business analytics, Power Apps for app development. So you could simply develop an app without writing a code. It's awesome when I use it. The Power Automate. Yeah, so we even have Power Automate for the desktop where you can use to automate tasks, not even those tasks that are related. In fact, you could use Power Automate for web scraping. if you're a researcher, or you could use it to script data instead of writing lines of codes in Python. You could make use of Power Automate. And we have the Power Virtual Agent, which allow you to make bots. So it makes bots just like a chatbot powered by AI, Power Virtual Agent. And the most recent one from the Power App or Power Platform collection is the Power Pages. So it allows you to use it to design a website without writing a single code. So there are numerous of other tools like that, but Power Pages is one of those awesome ones. So that's that about Power Platform. So in the Power Platform, we're going to focus on Power BI. So now, what is Power BI? So the Microsoft Power BI, or PBI, as I love to call it, for the sake of its short and kind of sound tuish, PBI, right? So many people used to think Power BI or PBI is just a tool for data visualization, but it might interest you to know that it is much more than just a visualization tool. It is a game changer for business intelligence. What then is Power BI really? So Power BI is a collection of software services and apps that transform data sources into interactive, coherent insights. And interestingly, it allows you to connect to data sources internally or externally in order to help you visualize important information and share it with others, enhancing the overall user experience. You could share your findings with people within your organization for them to collaborate, or you could even share it externally where they could just view only. So it's really, really integrated and powerful, just as the name implies, Power BI. So while trying to understand business intelligence, we need to understand the parts of Power BI. So what are the parts of Power BI? Power BI just comprises of three major parts: the Power BI desktop, the Power BI service, and Power BI mobile. And these three parts constitutes the common flow of work in Power BI. That is, it begins in Power BI desktop, where reports are created. Then the report is published to the Power BI service, where it is shared, and finally to the Power BI mobile, where the mobile app or the end users can consume the information. So this is the simple workflow of Power BI desktop, Power BI service. However, there are similarities between Power BI and Power BI desktop and Power BI services. Power BI desktop is free. You can install it free, as you could see in the in subsequent slides, how to install Power BI and also the difference between Power BI desktop and Power BI services. So now, as I was saying, Power BI desktop is free while the Power BI service is subscription based, right? So, but for those that are subscribed to this course, we're going to have a glimpse of how to use Power BI services. So, but for viewers that are just viewing this, you could just download the Power BI desktop and you follow along. So now the major differences between Power BI desktop versus Power BI services have been categorized, and then Power BI desktop is free, Power BI service subscription based, and then you could use Power BI desktop for data modeling, but you can't use Power BI services for data modeling. You could use Power BI services for creating dashboard, but you could not. You made up for creating live dashboard, but you can't use Power BI desktop for a live dashboard. And then in terms of collaboration, you can only collaborate with easily with Power BI services live. If you want to collaborate with Power BI desktop, you have to start downloading by going like the primitive way of sharing things. You have to download the PBIX file and then send it into that person. The person works on it, or you upload it to GitHub, and then you guys try to do some kind of DevOps, which is long process and kind of tedious for non-technical person. But with the Power BI service, you could just publish your report, and then all you need is just the email address of your collaborator or whosoever you want to share with. And the reports are deployed on premise, for that's in terms of Power BI desktop, while Power BI service is in the cloud. You don't even need, you just need to just log into the website and then sign in, and then you can access it.